my dear friends, how are you today? This is my first video in my YouTube channel and I hope you will like it, and do not forget to share,
Here I am using
subscribe and
Camlin
like
brush
my
pen and a
channel and
FLAIR
hit the bell
Hotline
icon
pen,
given below.
and then I am making a circle with the help of lead. Here I am using a black fineliner pen, and then I have to make some of the lines so that we can make some of the attractive flowers and leaf under it. And then we have to make a heart-shaped flowers, and in between we will make some small heart-shaped flowers so that all the area will be occupied. And then we have to make small leaves under it, and then these leaves we have to make some of the leaf in black color and some of the leaf which will be partially black and partially green in color. Then you have to fill red color in the flowers so that it will look more attractive. And then we have to make small stems in the end of the heart. And then we have to fill with a green color pen so that the leaf will look half green and half black. And then with the help of fine liner or with the help of a sketch pen, you have to make a circle so that a thick line will look good. And then with the help of a brush pen, you can write any quote, whichever quote you want. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video and you are thinking of recreating these ideas, then let me know in my Insta handle, which is Art Handy Closet there, and I will feature you in my account. Thank you for watching my video.